jelly beans colored egg coconut creams. Ay, coconut creams na colored egg at jelly beans.
Ano pa?
Meron tayo.
Oh, maghahanap tayo. Basahin nyo pa. Check mo pa kung ano yung...
And something many colors. The white chipmunk. And the home starter. The end.
What's the title of your book?
Peter Cottontail, Peter Egg Hunt by Joseph R. Ritchie.
Richie.
Ritchie.
And then can you tell me something
Rebecca Thorne
illustrated by...
by
Ibig sabihin siya yung nag-drawing. Galing niya mag-drawing, no?
Nino.
Yan, si Rebecca. Ano yan? Rebecca?
Thorne.
Rebecca Thornburg. And then yung author, kung sino yung nag-write, by?
Joseph R. Ritchie. Ritchie.
Can you read for us your favorite part?
This one.
May I hear?
Chocolate bunnies, jelly beans, colored egg, and coconut creams from dawn to dusk. Around the clock, the candy makers never stop. Stop. Candies come in many colors. Pink and blue, pink and red and white. And they form an Easter rainbow march.
Wow!
Easter rainbow.
Anong color na kaya nung rainbow nila?
Easter rainbow march to everyone's delight.
Ano kayang color ng rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo. The last one is violet.
Siya, finish your pandesal. You love it? What's inside your pandesal?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Let me see my cheese.
Ayun, nakalabas sa dulo. Check mo yung dulo. The other end. Yan. Oh, yan. Meron din pala dyan sa kabilang end na yan. Taste mo nga. Crunchies. Is it cheese? Yes. Bye, everyone.
Yet satisfying.
Wow. Yummy and satisfying. And it tastes like...
Avocado.
May taste ng avocado.
It's a fruit.
Anong color ng avocado? Hindi. Purple, yung labas. Ay, yung inside. Green. Tapos wala siyang seed, ano? Meron? Big yung seed niya?
Ano?
Ilan yung seed? Ilan? One only. Oh. Anong fruit ang madaming seeds?
WATERMELON.
What's that?
Watermelon.
Oh. How about an animal with a protective covering na shell?
Snail.
Snail, yes.
And turtle.
Yes. How about ano yung favorite food ni Lucas?
Egg and hot dog.
Egg and
Jelly beans and coconut creams and chocolate eggs and chocolate bunnies and rainbow eggs and all the Easter egg I want and jelly beans and coconut creams.
You like that? Pawisan din, pero maliligo na. Yun pala yun. Okay, thank you, sir. Bye!
So, bye-bye-bye.